using ChatGPT to generate hundreds of leads in any niche. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can generate hundreds and thousands of leads using ChatGPT in practically any niche. So let's get into it. So the method is pretty simple. Okay, so this is sort of like a search query over here that I have. So what it means is we have the site, right? So this is going to be the site URL that we're going to be targeting. This is going to be the profession. For example, it could be life coaches, surgeon, it could be anything, right? It's a professional field that you're trying to target, right? Then we have a number of different emails. So here we have gmail.com or yahoo.com or Hotmail or Outlook or AOL or iCloud, different emails, right? What it's going to do is when we put this search query into Google in the search bar, it's going to find all of these emails related to this profession, related to this site, right? So, for example, we have Instagram. We'll find life coaches who have these emails right here on Instagram. That's pretty basic. That's pretty much it, right? We also have LinkedIn. So if you want to find surgeons on LinkedIn, these are the emails that we have. This is an example email. For example, if you want to have like your own custom email, like a company that you're trying to target, they have their own company email. You put that company email over here. And this is like a prompt over here that we have. So this is the format data into a table with these columns like full name, company, and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and, fire up this example. So let's go with Instagram. We'll copy the QR, we'll copy the query over here, open up the tab. I'll also go to Google just in case, but my search engine is a little bit different. So we'll paste that here, right? And instead of life coaches, it could be anything. Let's say we want editors or video editors, right? And then we just simply hit the enter. It's going to go ahead and find everything. So we have all these different, right? So we got Instagrams of all these different people that are related to the video editing field. We have their emails as well. So next what we're going to do is we're just simply going to go ahead and copy everything. So I'm going to go ahead and copy all of this because, we got all of these data. So what I'll do is I'll copy them and come over here onto ChatGPT, and you'll see this is the prompt that I have, right? So what I'll do is I'll paste this over here, right? And also I'll copy this prompt that I already have over here and paste it right over here at the top. I'll press shift and enter to give me a column, and boom, I'll just put that there and hit the send button. And once it's done, you should be good to go. So now you can see here's the formatted into table, right? So this is the prompt that I added. Format the data below into a table with these columns: full name, company name, website URL, email, all of that. And it did exactly that. So we got the full name over here. We couldn't find it, but we have the company name, which is their name, right? So this is the full name, and this is the website, and this is the email that it found, and this is the number that it also found. Some of them have it, some of them don't. So that's fine, and boom, we're good to go. Now, this was for Instagram. So, for example, if we were to find some sort of proper business, right? So let's say life coaches, right? Boom, we hit the enter button. We got all of them right here. So again, do the exact same thing, copy that, and you should be good to go. We should find more of them, but we'll just copy what we have right here, paste that into Google, and if we want, we can even go to the second page, get more results over here, copy that, and paste that into Google as well. Boom. And then we ask it to do the exact same thing over here. So, which is, where did it go? Copy the text at the top, paste that there, and hit the enter button. And it's going to give us some more options as well, this time a little bit different. So here we go. So you can see now it's a little bit different because now we have some actual business instead of just profiles. So we have their full name over here, their websites over here, emails are going to be available over here, and their numbers are going to be available over here. So now we can just simply go ahead and get started from here. So that's how we can find some leads. So that's how we can find some leads using ChatGPT. Next, what we can do is we can copy this entire table by clicking on the copy button, right? And then we can open up a Google Sheet and paste everything over here, right? Copy paste. Yeah, why not? Did I? That's so weird. Well, this is weird. Now we have to install an extension just to copy paste stuff. Okay. Um, maybe if I just, copy this like that, would that be okay? Can I now paste it? Okay. Yeah, now I can paste it. Boom. So now we have some table right here. Some things, well, you know, don't really aren't working that great because, well, this number is a little bit different. So if we come over here, paste that there. Yeah, and I actually thought that this was a formula. No, this is not a formula. This is a number. So here we go. Now we have a whole table. Now what we can do is, if you want, you can, save it up or create like an automation, so that whenever something is added over here, you can go ahead and, text it. To do that, you can use this software called make.com. You can use it to build different sort of automations, and you can link your Google Sheets over here and update them. So now you can find stuff over here. Boom, you've got emails, you've got websites, you've got companies, you've got names, you've got numbers as well. And it's as simple as that. So this is how you can generate leads using ChatGPT. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And until next time, take care and goodbye.